Children, I hope that you all are ready with your textbook. Now we are going to read this poem one more time and understand it stanza wise. Children, we all go to park and garden which has lots of greenery and many colorful butterflies flutter from one plant to the other. But have you ever thought, where does this butterfly come from? If you have watched the video which was sent to you, there I have explained you how the poetess has explained the transformation of caterpillar into a butterfly. It has to rest for some time after weaving the cocoon, and then a butterfly appears. Isn't it? Let's read the first stanza of the poem. The Caterpillar Story by Hilltop of Fun. Underneath the cabbages, the caterpillar sat, drowsing in the sunshine. It thought of this and that. It led a rather lazy life, just lying there in style. When hungry, it just nibbled at the cabbage for a while. In this first stanza, the poetess is saying that the caterpillar lay under the cabbages and is always in a sleepy and a dull mood. Drowsing means sleepy. Always in a sleepy and a dull mood. And think of something or the other. It led a rather lazy life. Why it is said that the caterpillar is lazy? Because the caterpillar is not doing anything at all. Is sleeping under the cabbage, thinking of this or that, and whenever feels hungry, starts nibbling the cabbages. Children, underneath means directly below something or under. Let's have this word in a sentence, that is, I saw an insect underneath the stone in my garden. Underneath the stone means under the stone, directly below the stone. And nibble means to eat or chew in small bits. Now caterpillars are very tiny creature. They don't have bigger teeth like us. So they chew or eat things in small bits. Oh, mouse has nibbled the pages of my old books. So we need to take care of our old books. So I hope that you have understood the first stanza. Let's move towards the next one. Now, caterpillars have to change, and one day very soon, it started working steadily to weave a tight cocoon. Now children, it's time for the caterpillar to change, and it has started working for that change. What he has started? It started weaving a tight cocoon. Children, steadily means slow but regular. Now continuously, slowly, it has started weaving the cocoon. Weaving means to entwine. The nest also, the birds also weave their nest to lay eggs. So the cocoon is a thing which is made by caterpillars around itself, and it is very silky. Within this cozy shell it stayed, as days and nights went by. Then suddenly a split appeared. Out came a butterfly. Now, once this caterpillar weaves the cocoon, after that it feels very cozy. Cozy means very comfortable and happy. Okay, and inside that cocoon, it spends days and nights. Almost 15 to 20 days. It stayed inside the cocoon. Then suddenly a split appeared. Split means a crack. Then after 10 to 15 days, a split appears on the cocoon, and then what happens? A beautiful butterfly comes out. Turn the page, children. No longer was it lazy. Now it had a pair of wings. It danced upon the roses and on many other things. A lovely little butterfly of black and white and red, flitting in the sunshine till it was time for bed. In the first stanza, it was said that the caterpillar is very lazy. Why it was said? Because it never used to do anything. It just used to lay under the cabbages and rest and think of something or the other and nibble the leaves whenever it was hungry. But once it has become a butterfly, it has got wings now and is of many different colors, black, white and red, and is fluttering from one place to another, from one flower to other, sucking the nectar, and is now not lazy at all. So children, I hope that you have understood this poem and enjoyed too. So in this poem, the poetess has explained the transformation of caterpillar to a butterfly. Same way, the seed is transformed into a tree. I hope now you have understood the whole poem. Please recite it one more time at home. Bye.